Hi guys, this is Nikki of WhenInManila.com. So if you are a fan of dark high school drama plots like Elite, or if you're a big fan of Gossip Girl, then I think you should watch this newest K-drama series on Netflix. So this K-drama series is Hierarchy, which has been part of the top 10 most watched TV series on Netflix for the past few days. And I have been binge watching it as well. And, this is just me, but I am really, really enjoying the whole plot. Like what I've said earlier, it's like the Korean Gossip Girl, or the Korean Elite. I think Elite is one of the most popular high school drama series on Netflix as well. And yeah, parang yun yung Korean version. So just to give you a quick background of the plot, so Hierarchy is about or it's revolving around the students of this prestigious school in Korea, which is Jushin High School. And of course, in every school na sobrang prestigious, there are popular kids. So, may apat na popular kids dito and one scholar na papasok. So, I don't want to get into details anymore, but that's basically it. And if you are curious, guys, you have to watch it. The whole cast nailed their characters so well. Like, for example, itong si Yoon Hera, yung isa sa mga rich girls doon. Iritang-irita ako sa kanya. So, meaning, sobrang effective niya as a kontrabida. Kontrabida with a heart. And then if you'll watch it, you'll understand why. So this guy, this is actually the reason why I decided to give Hierarchy a try. So this is Lee Won-jung, who is playing Lee Woo-jin. Alright? So the first time I saw him was in an episode of Extraordinary Attorney Woo. So if you're curious, nakapanoorin nyo rin yun. May isang episode siya doon, sobrang galing niya. And then with this one, he really nailed his character. So let us not forget, of course, the characters of Jae, Rian, and Kangha. They all did so well. Ang gagaling umarte nitong mga to. Though, medyo naguluhan lang din ako sa storyline nila as a love triangle. But, anyway, I got the memo. I got the memo. I mean, I got the whole thing naman. So, ako nagustuhan ko rin yung story nilang tatlo, and then yung individual struggles and stories nila dun sa series. And I guess it's just me because I love series na parang I feel like every episode there's a plot twist. It was never boring to me the whole time. Yeah, I don't know what to say anymore, but I am actually really, really happy that I was able to finish the whole series. And for me, if you haven't watched it, umpisahan nyo na rin kasi talagang medyo maloloka din kayo.